And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing on a two phone lot that I bought off eBay. It should be the there's a Motorola Razr V3 and a Samsung Flip Shot. Well, it did picture with two of them with boxes, so that's kind of interesting. I'll have to go back on the description. Maybe they put them inside each other or something complicated. Yeah, okay, that's what they did. So inside one another. But that is going to be the unboxing. I'm going to do another unboxing later on. I guess I'll show you the phones so you can get a look at them. Razr V3, AT&T, and then the black Samsung Flip Shot. I do have the red one, so I was really happy to find the black one posted. So that's going to be the unboxing of this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.